As soon as they are done with you, they sneak out in the middle of the night, leaving you to... Oh, sorry, I think ndakubaranza nyaya. Sorry.
Hey. Doing discipline here. So jalava chisi chunu. Mukadaro hari debano. Mukutwisiza.
Takakumira kuna wakuru. Kuna His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Shunga. His Excellency President Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. Tapotara kuti Kankaring Shumba notaura. Vakazoona zvakakodzera kuti mukomana uyu apuhwe status yatinoti iyo liberation hero.
One day, we're going to wake up and eulogize Tasso, talking about his footwork, how he was amongst the first to use a piano roll as an instrumental. But why wait until then? Why not do that today? What would it take to rename Barberfield Stadium to Peter Ndlovu Stadium? Or to rename a department within the Zimbabwe College of Music after Maisuluma? We absolutely need to stop reserving flowers for the dearly departed. Our stars need to enjoy unfettered fame and respect during their time. It's important that other upcoming artists see that, so that they too are encouraged in their respective endeavors. Dambudzo Marechera's House of Hunger refers to the house his family occupied in the G section of Vengere in Rusape. The house is now occupied by an elderly lady who has no idea that an internationally acclaimed writer named Dambudzo once stayed there. Any other country, and the house would be a community library or a museum of sorts. At the very least, the street itself should carry his name. Let the kids born in Vengere know that Marechera once walked in the same streets and still went on to write his name into literature history. Do you guys know that Mark Ngwazi, the Sungura artist who made this song?
Blame people for disappointing you. I blame yourself for trusting them.
Which then led to this TikTok frenzy.
Only blame people for disappointing you. I blame yourself for trusting them. Trust nobody, suspect everybody.
Didn't even know that his song had gone viral because he didn't have a phone that was compatible with TikTok. He didn't. Do you know how crazy that is? The guy with the biggest song in the country can't afford to buy a phone that is compatible with TikTok and has to rely on the mercy of strangers for help. Just next door, going viral will get you a marketing deal minimum. Matter of fact, South African artists get paid royalties whenever their songs are used in a TikTok. Last year alone, Netflix invested in at least 8 Netflix originals from South African filmmakers. This is what happens when there's ecosystems and structures within the entertainment industry. When asked about her plans for the industry, Minister Kesti Coventry had this to say. Well said, Minister, well said.